again. I'm Rick Babick with Talaris Homes. Wanted you to see what's happening at this house in North Orlando. I wanted you to see what the kitchen is going to look like before it's actually finished. And about 6 to 8 months from now, you'll be seeing this spectacular Talaris Homes custom kitchen. So what happens here now is we've got some bigger 220 cable. It's going to be feeding into our range and ovens and cooktop. Here is a gas line. It will be a gas cooktop. This is a gas line that runs all the way through the house. We have about 6 drops in this particular home. Over here, you'll see is the pot filler, future pot filler. This will be a bank of cabinets. And in the center of the room, we're going to be having an island, and it will have a sink in it. You can see the hot and cold lines here, and these are actual electric chases for future power. This will have a second island, and that's what happens. The cabinets are going to get stacked on it, drywalled, finished off with counter surface. Here again, you'll see the red lines and the blue lines, hot and cold water, and a drain line. And back over here, this is what a fireplace looks like. The largest prefab fireplace you can get. Sam's Gas in Orlando does all of our gas work. Great job, Dan Dow and the folks at Sam's Gas. Thank you very much. This is what it looks like before you see the very, very pretty fireplaces that will be when it's all said and done. You can kind of get a side view of that. You'll see just how big this is and how huge and massive that vent stack is that goes all the way up through the roof. That's what happens with a prefab fireplace. Anyway, that's what's happening here. Thanks for watching. I'm Rick Babick. We'll be showing you more throughout this progress on this spectacular custom home in North Orlando. If you would like us to build you a custom home or remodel, renovate the existing home, give you some updating, please give us a call. For more information, visit us on our Facebook, on our Instagram page, and at TalarisHomes.com. Thanks for watching Talaris TV, Talaris Homes, helping build the great American dream.